By morning, over 1,700 people were gone. Entire families, entire homes, entire villages, all silent. When rescuers arrived, they didn't understand what they were seeing. There were no injuries, no signs of struggle, no destruction, just stillness. People were found at doorways, as if they tried to step outside. Some were found in their beds as if they never woke up. Even animals lay where they had stood. The lake looked calm, peaceful, unchanged, as if nothing had happened at all. But something had. Something invisible had moved through everything and left nothing behind except silence. The few survivors described waking up on the ground, confused, struggling to breathe, surrounded by stillness. No voices, no movement, just bodies and air that felt wrong. Today, scientists have installed systems to slowly release gas from the lake, to prevent it from happening again. But Lake Nyos is not the only lake like this. There are others, quiet, still, waiting. Because the most dangerous disasters are not the loud ones. They're the ones that give you nothing. No warning, no sound, just silence.